Welcome to this step-by-step guide on how to add a YouTube subscribe button to your WordPress website. In this tutorial, you will learn how to navigate through the WordPress dashboard, access the site editor, and add the custom HTML code for the subscribe button provided by YouTube. Let us begin by opening your WordPress site in your preferred web browser. Start by going to the WordPress homepage where you will see the site's welcome screen. This is your portal to managing your website. Once the homepage loads, look for the login option located at the top right corner of the screen and click on it. This action takes you to the login page where you can access your WordPress account. After clicking login, you will be presented with several sign-in options. Locate and click on the option that says continue with Google. This will prompt you to choose one of your Google accounts to sign in with. Select the account you wish to use for managing your website and you will be securely logged into your WordPress dashboard. Once you have accessed your dashboard, your next move is to navigate to the Quick Links section. Quick Links is a handy area in your dashboard that gives you fast access to the most commonly used tools. Within that section, you need to click on the option labeled Edit Site. Choosing this option will direct you to the site editor where you can make customizations to your website layout and design. Now that you are in the site editor, direct your attention to the top right corner of the screen where you will see a plus icon. Click on this plus icon. This gesture will allow you to add new blocks or elements to your website layout. As you do so, you will be prompted to choose from a list of available block types. When the list appears, you should begin typing the word custom. Typing this keyword filters the available options and quickly brings up the block option that you need. Once your list has been filtered, select the option called Custom HTML. By doing this, you are setting up an area on your page where you can insert your own code. With the custom HTML block now active, it is time to add the subscribe button code. This code is obtained directly from YouTube and is specifically designed for integrating the subscribe button into your website. Paste or type the provided code into the custom HTML block exactly as it appears. Be sure to check that all quotation marks, tags and code elements are intact, ensuring that the button will function properly once published. Before finalizing your changes, it is always a good idea to preview them. To do this, click on the preview option. This lets you see how your subscribe button appears on the live site without the need to publish right away. Take a moment to observe the button's placement, appearance and functionality in the preview mode. By following these detailed instructions, you have successfully embedded a YouTube subscribe button into your WordPress site. Each step builds on the previous one to ensure that the final result is seamless and functional. Enjoy the integration and continue to enhance your website with additional features and customizations as needed.